I'm Prem Kumar. Today I'm going to discuss with you IIT JEE Advanced. First question, f is from real number to real number defined by mod x plus 1. G is from real number to real number defined by x square plus 1. The new function h is from real number to real number defined like this. When x is less than or equal to 0, you can choose the maximum of f and g. When x is greater than 0, you can choose the minimum of f and g. Let us draw the graph of mod x plus 1. You know that mod x curve, right? Just you shifted 1 unit up, y is equal to mod x plus 1, right? If second curve, you can see the parabola, right? X square curve, y is equal to x square. You shifted 1 units up, y is equal to x square plus 1. You combine these two curves, how to draw the graph? The first graph is mod x plus 1. Second one is what? X square plus 1. Okay. So the intersection point is this point, right? So let us find the point of intersection of these two curves. First, you can write the curves equation, mod x plus 1, and second one is x square plus 1. You can see if x is greater than 0, mod x defined as x and then plus 1, x square plus 1. Plus 1 cancel, x square minus x equal to 0. If I take x common, x minus 1 equal to 0. Then either x equal to 0 or x equal to 1. Okay. Then second thing, if x is less than 0, mod x defined as minus x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1. So plus 1 cancel. Here x square plus x equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1. Just you take x common out, right? Either x equal to 0 or x equal to minus 1. This is the minus 1, this is 0, this is 1. So the point of intersection will be, if you put minus 1, the output will be 2. If you put 0, the output will be 1. Right? If you put 1, the output will be 2. The point of intersection will be minus 1, 2, 0, 1, and 1, 2. Now let us draw in the number line. The breaking point is minus 1, 0, and 1. Now you have to redefine the h of x. What is h of x given to you? When x is less than 0, that means x is negative, you can choose the maximum of f and g. When x is positive, you can choose the minimum of f and g. So if x is less than minus 1, that means you are choosing negative x value. You choose the maximum of f and g. You can see the graph. What is the maximum of f and g when you take x is less than minus 1? X square plus 1 curve, right? And you can see when you take the minus 1 to 0, the mod x plus 1, you can how to redefine this? When x is negative, y is equal to minus x plus 1. When x is positive, y is equal to x plus 1. Understood? Now let us take x is minus 1 less than x less than 0. In this interval, you have to choose the maximum of f and g. What is the maximum here? Y is equal to minus x plus 1. Minus x plus 1. Next is, if x is 0 to 1, 0, x less than 1. In this interval, you have to choose the minimum of f and g. What is the minimum here? X square plus 1. Okay. The next is, if x is more than 1, you have to choose the minimum of 1. Minimum of f and g. What is that? X plus 1. You can see more than 1. So x plus 1 is the minimum. Okay. Now you can differentiate this function. H dash of x, you can do it. 2x, x different, 1 differentiation 0 if x is less than minus 1, 2x. If x is more than minus 1, less than 0. Okay, let us take this one. When x is minus 1 less than 0, the differentiation is what? Minus 1. If x is 0 to 1, the differentiation is 2x. When x is greater than 1, the differentiation is 1. You can see how to find out the function is not differentiable. Which point the function is not differentiable? Just you can see less than minus 1. The limit left derivative will be minus 2. Right derivative will be, you can see more than minus 1, no? It will be minus 1. So both will be different. Generally, if you want to define the function is not differentiable, you redefine the function, you have to check the left and right derivative. You can see x less than minus 1, minus 2 is there. If x is more than minus 1, this minus 1 will be there. But if you take 0, less than 0 minus 1, more than 0, 0. If you take more than 0, less than 1, it will be 2. If more than 1, 1. So all are different. The right hand derivative is not equal to left hand derivative at x equal to minus 1, 0 and 1. This is one way. This is algebraically we can solve this. Graphically you can see the graph is not differentiable at x equal to minus 1, 0 and 1 because this sharp edge will be there. The tangent is not unique here at the point minus 1 and 0, 1. Therefore, the number of not differentiable at this point, which point? Minus 1, 0 and 1. Thank you everyone.